Hello, and welcome to our final video. Step 3, engaging with your customers to defend and grow your online reputation. Many people forget the simple fact that we all learned in our early childhood development. If you want to make friends, you have to be a friend first. Once you've built your social media profiles, it is time to really start working. Engage your customers and make them feel that you appreciate them. Do you know what happens when your customers feel appreciated? They start telling people about you. They start generating their own positive content about your company, and most importantly, they start sharing it with their friends. If you are feeling nervous about engaging users online, just remember that social media is simply a tool for communication. The same rules of offline communication apply to social media. Be nice, be respectful, and don't just talk about yourself, and you will be well on your way to growing your social profile and ultimately your online reputation. Thank you so much for watching these reputation management tutorials. We hope that you will contact us if you have any questions. Remember, your online reputation is your reputation. Thank you so much.